Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install and operate our KHA 320 fully auto biochemistry analyzer. Step 1. Receiving inspection. First, please check if the package is in good condition after receiving this analyzer. Second, take the fully auto chemistry analyzer out of the plywood case carefully and put it on the horizontal table to check if the appearance of the analyzer is in good condition. Third, check and confirm whether the instrument accessories are complete according to the packing list attached. Step 2. Analyzer installation. Remove the plastic foam for each part. Now, let me show you the main parts. This is for the cleaning system. This is sample and reagent needle. This is mixing system. This is a sample and reagent tray. And this is the reaction tray. We can remove 3 black screws and then open the black cover for this tray. Please remove this cover carefully. This is the accessory case. Find out all the tubers from this case. Then I will show you how to connect all the tubers. This is the port for the low concentration with the liquid. Connect this connector. And then connect this tuber for with the liquid. And this port for the high concentration with the liquid. We connect this tuber. Then 2 tubers for the with the bottle. There are 2 bottles for the purified water. We connect with these 2 pots. The white one for the in. And the red one for the water out. And this tuber for the alkaline washing liquid, washing solution. This is the purity water bottle. Now, let me show you the back side of this analyzer. This switch is for the machine power. This switch is for the current. This is the power socket. This is the grounding. This is the installation suggestion for the waste liquid. This is the pressure gauge. And this is the coolant exhaust. This port for the high concentration waste liquid. And this port for the low concentration waste liquid. Then we can see 3 fans. This is the RS-232 port to connect with the computer. Let me show you the left side of this analyzer. There are 2 lights. The first one is for the power, the second one is for the coolant. These 2 ports for the purified water. Find out the power cable from the accessory case. Connect the power. Then find out the serial cable. Connect one end to the RS-232 port. Connect another end to the computer. Now we will install the reaction cups. Find this mark. This mark for the position 1. There are 9 positions for the reaction tree from number 1 to number 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And can install 9 rows reaction cups. Total 81 holes, 81 test cups for 1 tray. When you install the reaction cups, please check the cups in a good condition. Now we connect the grounding. Find out the grounding wire from the X-ray case, and one end to connect this port. The other end to the 1 meter and the earth. Now I will show you how to input the coolant. First, remove 4 screws. Remove the small panel. First, open the red valve. Then turn on the power for the coolant, and then turn on the power for the machine. The purified water will be injected to the refrigeration bin automatically. After turning the power of the machine, this power light will be on. When the refrigeration bin is full of the water will be out from this waste point. Then we can finish this step. Then close this red valve. Now it's finished. The water is out from the waste liquid pot. Then we can close the red valve. Finally, we reinstall the small panel. After finishing this step, we can install the software. Step 3. Operating software installation and brief instruction. Copy this operating software from the CD to local disk and double-click it. Choose the language. Click Next. Then click Finish. Double-click this software. For the first installation, place this backup display. Input the password 123. Click OK. Choose the Auto Backup Field Path. Click OK. And the Menu Backup Field Path. Click OK. Then input this user password 123. Click OK. So we can enter into the main interface. At the left side of this screen, we can see the different function keys calibration. Under this menu, we can do the calibrate setting to and delete, modify the calibration parameters. Apply the calibration. Test key. Click Test. We can choose the test app, routine test, QC test. Start key. Click this key. We can do the testing. this key is review. Click this key, we can review all the test results according to the date. We can click this QC query. Click return. This menu, click menu, then the different sub-menu will be shown on the top of this interface. This general setting, test setting, query, maintenance, system help. At the general setting menu, we can into the hospital information setting, and this menu we can set the hospital information, name, director, phone, and others, and setting the department information, and also doctor information. Users authority management, user management. And this menu we can end the login name, password, and other informations, and click Save, cancel, return. Another menu is users permission setting. And this menu we can give different users the different permission. Password change. And this menu we can change the password according to the username. Choose the different username and input the old password, new password, and confirm password. Click return. Next one is change user's registration. User's name. Please try choose the user's name firstly, and input the password. The next one is item printer sequence. And this menu we can adjust the printer sequence for different items. Backward, forward. The next one is item unit. And this menu we can end the test unit for each item. Item test sequence. And this menu we can adjust the testing sequence. AST we can click backward, so the order is changed. Next one is date output configuration. And this menu we can set the date transfer configuration. Output the test dates to the clipboard, to the text field, to Excel field, and click OK. The last one is list communication configuration. And this menu we can to set the LC list, to set the list communication parameters. And test setting item parameter. And this parameter setting we can end, delete, modify the different parameters. Input according to the input the value according to the reagent instruction. Calibration setting. In this menu, we can add, delete, modify the calibration parameters. QC setting. Also, we can add, delete, modify, and save on the QC setting. Calculate item. And this menu, we can input the parameters for the calculating items. Combined item. And this menu, we can input the information for the combined items. Sample type setting. We can choose the different type of sample. Statistics. History results query. We can set the condition, inputting the different values, test date, sample number, name, age, and others. We can click this query, so the history test result will be shown this area. QC query. Also, we can choose the different QC type and the start date, end date. This is the calibration result query. We can input. We can set the test date. Workload statistics. We can set the inputting conditions, operator, sample type, date, department name, and click this item and sample to do the item and sample statistics. Next menu, maintenance. Click maintenance. Select command operation, main control unit, RE unit, RR unit, reaction tree unit, sample tree unit, and mixing system and temperature control unit. Cuvette maintenance, washing all cuvette. Measurement of cup black test, graphical results, detailed date. Clear invalid patient date. Transfer daily date to history database. Error logging query. Photoelectric data detection. AD scanner. The last menu, system help fields, and warning information. At the bottom of this screen is a sample tree. Display 30 sample positions and a reagent tree. reagents positions: tree 1, tree 2, tree 3. Another one, reaction tree. There are total 81 reaction positions. Use different color to display different steps. And the last one, alarm information. Error overview. Okay, that's all for the operating software brief instruction. Step 4, measurement. Today I will show you how to do the sample test. First, click Test Setting, Item Parameter Setting, and in this menu we can end and modify the item parameters. Click Modify. We take the AST as a sample. Input the item name, AST, full name, decimal digits. Choose the unit. Choose the test method. And the direction. Choose the wavelength. The sample volume. And input the volume for reagents, RE, RR. Input the reaction time, start time, end time. Select the calibration mode. Input the reference range. And then click Save. Please input all the parameters according to your reagent's instruction. We input item parameters for other items: TP, ARP, GLU, and ARB. Next, we will set the reagent's position. Please click Reagent Tree. For AST, it's double reagent. RE, we choose the position number 1 and choose inner bottle. RR, position is number 2. Choose out bottle. For TP, it's a single reagent. We choose inner bottle. For position 5, this one, position 5 for TP. ARP is double reagent. For RE, we set 17 and choose inner bottle. For RR, we set 18 and choose out bottle. It's 17 and 18 for ARP. For GLU, it's single reagent. We set RE as position 13 and choose inner bottle. Next one, ARB. It's single reagent. We set RE number 9 and choose inner bottle. And save. Can save the reagent's position. This is RE for AST. we put the position 1, and this is RR for AST. We put it into the position 2. Then input other reagents bottles into the proper positions according to your setting. And this reagent bottle for TP, and this bottle for ARB, and this bottle for GRU. These 2 bottles for the ARP. Next, we will do the calibration setting. Click calibration and click calibrator setting. Click modify and input the name water and choose the operation 1. Click save. Enter the calibrator information. Input the name, position, input all the values of the concentration according to the calibrator reagent's instruction, and click save. Click return. And this interface, click AST, choose water, and this one, choose it. For TP, also the same operation, watch, and standard calibrator. TP also GRU and ARB. And click apply. We can the list and the status. We have apply, and the status is waiting for the test. Return and return. Click start. Put a water bottle on the sample position 1 and the sample position 2. We put the calibrator bottle and then click calibrator test. Click OK.